Alright, this is just a very simple how-to on cleaning your Remington Versa Max shotgun. First thing, of course, make sure it's not loaded. And we're good. Alright, starting out pretty simple. Taking off the barrel. Foregrip just slides off, along with the barrel and piston assembly. Close the slide. Make sure to hold the grip while you're doing this. If not, it'll slide up and hit the front of the frame. Always make sure to hold this down. If not, this little piece right here will not come out. So, just pull it out. To save time, I've already cleaned mine, so just pull everything out really quick. To take apart the trigger assembly, if you want to go into it that far, just get a small little punch of some sort and punch that little pin out. There you go. Very simple. Assembling it, same way. Align pinhole up. Push it back in. That's in. Once again, hold it down to push it back in. There you go. Go ahead and lock it back. When you are cleaning this, make sure to clean these little indentions right here. This is for the piston. This is for the operating mechanism. Mine were super dirty, even only after shooting 100 rounds through it. So, Q-tips, cotton swabs, anything like that, just clean those out. Everything else goes back the way. Take it apart. Make sure that's tight. There we go. You're all set. It's all clean.